Hey, this is Ed from Powertrain Products. I just wanted to show everybody our new 3.6 Chrysler engine that we've got available. There's 2 or 3 different part numbers. They work from 11 to 13 for the minivans and for the Wranglers. And then this is the newest one that just got released. It works from 2014 to 2018, covers pretty much every platform. Challengers, the Jeep Wranglers, the 300s, anything that comes with the 3.6 from Chrysler. This is how it comes. It has the oil pan installed. You just can't see it. Complete gaskets. It's got the oil filter housing. Obviously all timing chains and everything are all set. Completely remanufactured. It's a heat exchanger in the intake manifold, which is a big deal. Backed with our 4-year warranty. Give us a call, 888-842-0023 or www.powertrainproducts.net.